In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a standing cable reverse fly. Now, if you're looking to work both rear deltoids, so the back of the shoulder at the same time, check out my other videos because we're only working one side at a time in this exercise tutorial. Now, firstly, the questions I get with regards to this exercise are firstly, how do we set up the cable machine? And also, how do we know that it's at the right height? So you're looking to find the single handle cable attachment. You're going to pop open the carabiner and then from there, place this in the carabiner, fasten it, and then it's all ready to go. Now, in terms of the height and the position that you need to be in, best thing to do is bring your arm across your body, and wherever your hand is, that's where you want this part of the cable to be in line with. So I'm going to pop the cable machine out, fasten it into place, and now when I bring my arm across my body, this is now in the right place for me because I'm going to be bringing the cable away from my body. So I'm going to stand side on to the cable. I'm going to come into that lengthened position with the arm, and from here I've got my feet hip width apart pointing forwards. Brace your core, don't use any rotation. All of your body's going to be looking forwards, nice and straight at the elbow as you come out away from the body and back in. So I'd be breathing in on the way out, and when I return the cable, breathing out. So you can see from the back, so you'll notice my body's not rotating. All of the motion is coming from my arm. I'm not using my hips to assist the movement. And once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you have done your single handle reverse fly on a cable machine. Of course, you're going to look to do even repetitions on both sides unless you've got a muscle imbalance or you're recovering from an injury, then in which case you can increase the reps on your weaker side.